So, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. My name is Prince Maddheshiya. I am from Devariya, Uttar Pradesh, and today's I decided I uploaded a daily videos in YouTube, and I make totally video in English because my dream is I am fluent in English. I want to speak in English for everywhere, any with any people, without hesitation, without fear. Means just like a fluently means whenever I talk with another people, so I don't feel means irritate and shiny. So that reason I will start to speak English day by day. I know that time I didn't have means that much English knowledge, but I do the practice because practice the going with success means when we do the regular practice, so we will get the success. So that reason I will make a video in English. And I know I also means doing the mistake for some sentences. I don't know where I do the mistake, but you are watching to me, so please do the please notice to my means whenever I say it wrong, so please correct that sentence, please correct that word, and please give send to me in comment box because I read the all comments. So please follow to me and subscribe me, and please like my video. Next video I will upload in tomorrow, so please follow me and watch to my full video. So bye bye everyone.